हे 8 जाण कित्याक घेतले तें समजलें न्ही तुमकां?
कांय दीस लागले म्हाका, थोडे दीस लागले समजून घेवपाक.
कांय दीस कशे 3 दीस जाले मरे ते वचून. यू हॅव अंडरस्टूड द क्रोनोलॉजी न्हू.
I will go through, I have asked for a chronological happenings of events.
क्रोनोलॉजी समझिए, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. Many people will get benefits now.
What is the problem if 5-7 people benefit? No problem.
5 to 7, 8 people, they will get benefits now. These same people are expecting cabinet reshuffle.
They have this is not only in terms of decision, it also is a perception that is created.
Forget about perception. Cabinet reshuffle idea is being conveyed to you.
I don't know, somebody was talking to me that
we need clarity. What is your position in cabinet now? It is still the same or
I have been put here by the chief minister and the central leadership.
Tomorrow that same chief minister tells you, Baba, give TCP ministry to Michael. Then
I cannot let my chief minister down. I have to go by what the chief minister says.
इतले प्रेम सीएमाचेर. Good acting, huh?
I have to act.
तशें जाल्यार आनी act more.
My chief minister has put faith in me. I will not break his trust.
तुमचे फेवरेट आरोग्य खाते काढले तुमचे जाल्यार कितें?
म्हाका काय हरकत ना. I am sitting today as Vishwajit Rane in front of you.
You will blindly do anything what chief minister tells.
See, it is very easy for me to sit down in an interview and say that yes, I will do it. But then I have to see what is the law which is applicable to it.
You are trying to say that you will make portfolio reshuffle a sub judice matter.
What I said is under the law that is available and under the sections that are available in
Baba, meaning तोच जाता न्ही same. This will create havoc. This will create panic in many.
Now this should not create panic in anybody's mind.
Past cases on these 8 people.
Those cases will be knocked off.
Huh? Yeah, there are cases mare.
I am not saying there is.
What exactly you want to say?
What I want to mention to you.
You can mention me mansion house. No problem. Ravi Naik, Subhash Valdesai, Nilkant, portfolios are going. Yeah?
That is not my concern.
Okay. Sorry, huh?
Today I met Subhash Valdesai also.
What he said?
Subhash Valdesai also said that, you know,
ते सुभाषाचे काढपाक जायना रे. रवी निळकंठ मंत्रीपदा भोगून आयला न्ही हेच्या पयलीं. तो बाबडो फर्स्ट टायम मिनिस्टर. विराट कोहली 76 centuries now.
what are we doing with those centuries?
I don't know.